In today's video, we're going to learn how to use VidiQ for YouTube videos. If you're a creator who creates videos and then uploads on YouTube, you would know the importance to SEO your videos properly. Search engine optimization. It is extremely important. If you don't SEO your video properly, you're not going to reach out to the audience that you made this video for. If you want to teach people how to cook biryani, and if you don't use proper title, tag, description, and obviously when I say use proper tags, title, and description, what I mean by that is, what are people searching for? If they're searching for Sindhi biryani and you make a video about Kolachi biryani, maybe these two are different. I don't know much about biryani, to be very honest, so apologies about that, but you're getting my point, right? You need to make videos that people are searching for so that they can reach out to the audience that you want to reach out to through your videos. You need a tool to help you SEO your videos better, and one of the best tools that I've used so far is VidiQ. This is not a sponsored video. They have not paid me even a single penny, but I've been using this software for a while now, and I know that this software is pretty good. It has actually helped me grow my channel. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you this picture on the screen. You can see my channel's growth in this graph. You guys can see that my channel actually grew quite well in the last 28 to 30 days. And most of these views that you see on the screen are coming from search results, which means that there's something that I'm doing right while uploading these videos, because that content is reaching out to more and more audience. I'm gonna actually go ahead and walk you through some of the tabs that are available on the VidiQ platform that might help you get to know this platform better. Obviously, if you're a beginner, if you already know how to use VidiQ, this video probably would not be very helpful, because this is for beginners, someone who hasn't used this platform at all and they want to know the basics of the platform. I'm going to walk you through that. I'm going to show you what each of these options mean and how can you utilize this platform and all these options that are available for you to take advantage of these and then help your content get more views and eventually get more subscribers. Without wasting any more time, let's go to my computer screen and learn how to use VidiQ to better SEO your YouTube videos. Let's go. In order to access VidiQ, if you are first time using it, just type VidiQ, Google it, and it's going to give you vidiq.com. Open up this link, log in if you haven't already. Once you log in, it's going to take you to this page. This is the home page of VidiQ. Now we're going to learn step by step how to use VidiQ, and there are different tabs that I'm going to walk you through. So dashboard, daily ideas, keywords, competitors, subscribers, SEO, my coach, upgrade. Let's look at the dashboard first up. Now this is your main dashboard where you can see your channel stats, where you can get daily ideas, etc, etc. Channel stats is your channel's stats. So when you log in, make sure that you're connecting your YouTube channel with VidiQ so that it can actually give you accurate stats and accurate data, because that is extremely important. These are my channel stats. So for the last 30 days, you guys can see my views have been trending up, 57.7% more views than the prior 30 days. So I've gotten 70,000 views in the last 30 days. These are the subscribers that I've gained, 119% more, which is pretty good as well, watch time, etc. So you guys can clearly see VidiQ has been helping me, right? On the right side are daily ideas. It gives you daily ideas, obviously, depending on the package or the plan that you're using. Right now, I'm using the Pro plan, so it gives me up to 10 daily ideas. You guys can see that these are my today's ideas. So I got 10 ideas from VidiQ, and VidiQ is suggesting me that if I make videos on these ideas or these topics, I can get more views. So view prediction for these top 3 is very high. These 3 is high, and then medium. Now, if you're using a better plan, I'm using the Pro one. There are other plans as well. You have to pay obviously more for those plans, but you can get up to 50 and more ideas as well. But 10 has been working pretty well for me. I think 10 ideas are pretty good. You don't make more than 10 videos anyway per day. Now, this is the subscriber overview. This is very helpful as well. It shows you when your subscribers are online and active most of the time, because my time zone is Karachi. So according to my time zone in Pakistan, my viewers are mostly active between 6 in the morning till 6 in the evening. This is when my viewers are more active. And if I want to see where are my viewers most active, that's 3 p.m. So 3 o'clock till 6 o'clock, that's when my viewers are most active. So if I upload videos during that time, helps me to some extent. Doesn't actually make much of a difference in the long-term growth of a video, but definitely helps. On the right side, you guys can see artificial intelligence title recommendations. So this actually helps you, giving you some ideas, some recommendations. So let's say if you want to make a video about biryani, you can just put in the title that you're going to upload on your YouTube video and give it a shot. Like try, get title ideas. It actually sometimes give you really good ideas. Then we have keyword opportunities. You guys can see there are some keywords that are being suggested to me for my channel by VidiQ. This is based on what my viewers are watching. This is based on where am I getting most views from, what videos are ranking on my channel. So it tells me that if I make a video on one of these, I can get more views. As you guys can see, this very first keyword, Canva Pro free team link, 91,270 people are searching for this particular keyword on a monthly basis. Competition is very low, which means there are not a lot of videos on YouTube on this particular topic. So there's low competition. There's a high overall score. It's giving it 80 out of 100, and then 91,000 searches on a monthly basis as well. It's a good keyword to target. Obviously, I already have a video made on this. So I'm not going to make another one. But just to show you, this is how it recommends you. Now you can add your competitors as well. So I've added some competitors. I know you guys might laugh at it, but I've added TechBurner as my competitor. Maybe not very soon, but one day, hopefully. Yeah, so that's how things are. Now, other competitors that I've added, this guy has been getting less views. This guy has been getting less views, but my channel has been growing 46.7% compared to 7.6% TechBurner. So yeah, you know, you guys can see, right? Okay, top videos from my channel. These are some of the top videos that are ranking on my channel. And if you haven't watched these videos, like, you should definitely watch these videos. Let's move on to the next tab. This is daily ideas. We've already went through this daily ideas tab. 10 ideas on a daily basis tells you which can get you very high views, which can get you high views and medium views. Moving on, keywords. This is the most important tab on VidIQ. You definitely need to know how to use this tab, and if you do know how to use this tab, I think does the job for you, right? You know almost everything. So search keyword. It says search for a keyword. Let's say let's search for Sindhi biryani. If I search for Sindhi biryani, you guys can see it tells me that there's 7,799 people searching for this term on a monthly basis, and competition is medium. I can get related keywords. So some keywords that are very related to this particular keyword, for example, Sindhi biryani recipe, how to make Sindhi biryani, chicken Sindhi biryani recipe Pakistani. And you guys can see that these are the search volumes for each of these keywords. I can rank it by search volume. So the highest searched right now would show up on the top. Sometimes not very accurate. You guys can see PTV Sports Live. That's not very relevant. But yeah, street food. 2.7 million people are actually searching for street food on a monthly basis. This is a very good keyword to target. Although competition is very high, but if your video is good, you can rank. How to make Indian food, chicken recipe, MasterChef, food fusion, chicken biryani. You guys can see 312,808 people are searching for chicken biryani on a monthly basis, right? If you want to go with competition, you would get very low to then high competition, very high competition. So if you look at a search term, this search term, Indian cuisine, right? 3,450 people search for this on a monthly basis. The competition is very low, and it has a good score as well because of the low competition, I think. So you can target this keyword. That's how you search for keywords, right? Cooking with Shabana, it's like 40,000 people searching for this. Competition is very low. So yeah, that's how you search for keywords, and this is what this particular tab helps you with. You guys can see matching terms as well. So we search for Sindhi biryani, and these are some matching terms for Sindhi biryani. Sindhi biryani recipe, Dawat Abida Baloch Desi food. Sindhi biryani recipe, 3,890 people searching for this. If we look at the search volume, you guys can see Sindhi biryani food fusion, new ways, Sindhi biryani recipe, Sindhi chicken biryani fast recipe, and then looking at competition, this is how you can rank it with competition very low to very high. And then an overall score. If you want to look at the overall score, this has the highest score. Sindhi biryani recipe, Dawat Zyada Baloch, Sindhi biryani recipe, delicious diner, etc. And then questions, right? How to make Sheen Sindhi biryani recipe, Shan Sindhi biryani recipe, right? People are searching for how to make Shan Sindhi biryani recipe. You can target this keyword. Some more questions that are there: how to make Sindhi biryani at home, which food color to use for Sindhi biryani, how to make Shan Sindhi biryani, etc., etc., right? Shan Sindhi biryani is quite famous. I don't know what that is, but people are searching for it. So you can search about it, research, and then make a video. Can rank. Then competitors, these are the competitors. I told you earlier that you can select your competitors, and this is my performance versus their performance. This is me, and these are my competitors, right? Although the views for this guy is high, on the higher side, but I make long form content. He makes shorts, right? So obviously with shorts you get more views, but I'm not saying like he's not doing a good job. He's doing a pretty good job overall. I got 337,000 views. He got 707,000 views. I keep an eye on my competitors. Don't worry about it. Next one is subscribers. I don't get to view all of this because I'm on the pro version. I don't have the privilege to access this, but the best time to post, yeah, that's available here, right? So on Mondays, these are the best times. Tuesdays, Thursdays, I get like all of these best times to post. And then under SEO, I don't see that. Channel wise tags, I don't see that. Bulk SEO, I don't get that privilege again because I'm not using the pro version. And then under my coach, these are some recorded sessions that are available that you can take advantage. This guy would tell you how to, you know, get the first 1,000 subscribers, how to get your first 100 subscribers, etc., etc. These are some videos to learn how to SEO your videos better. In most of these videos, he's going to be telling you how to use VidiQ. So yeah, most welcome if you want to watch these videos. They can be really helpful for you as well. This is VidIQ. This is how VidIQ can help you get more views. And that's the information that I had about VidIQ that I just shared with you guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye-bye.